Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to split screen on Redmi Note phones. Here is the phone. Redmi Note 15 is the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones. And to use split screen you need to open some apps. In my example I will open YouTube and press and hold on this app and tap here on this icon to split screen. Now YouTube is here in the top and choose another window, for example, I don't know, maybe photos, and now YouTube is here in the top and here I have photos. So it is very easy. If you want to see only YouTube, just put your finger here and move it to the bottom like this, and now YouTube is on full screen. Okay. Now also you can see picture in picture. Again, I will open some apps and press and hold on it, and here is the screen in screen icon. And now, as you can see, here I have YouTube. You can modify this window like this. Also, you can put it here and go back. Okay, and you can do other things on your phone. So it is very easy. If you want to close this app, just put your finger here and close it like this. So, as I told you, it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you. And if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.